Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today I'm unboxing something that I actually bought on Black Friday week, but I didn't have a chance to actually unbox it. This is the ZTE Maven 3. It's a prepaid device, and it's for AT&T as well, and it's for a cheap price point of under 30 bucks. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so for 2018, I just want to say Happy New Year first of all, and I just wanted to actually start off something new for the channel, which will have devices that are under 100 bucks on the channel. So it's a lot of people on the channel as far as viewers who like to see cheaper phones instead of flagship, so I'm gonna try to mix it up and have both on the channel. So this is the ZTE Maven 3. I actually picked this up for 8 bucks from Best Buy. So here's the actual insides of this. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. It has Nougat up to 8 gigabytes of internal storage, up to 32 gigabytes of expandable SD card storage. It has a 5-inch FWVA VGA touchscreen and a 5 megapixel autofocus with LED and a 2 megapixel front facing camera. So if you guys want to check that out, you could definitely check that out as well. And it has a 2115 milliamp battery. Alright, so let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. You just got a pull tab here. So if you guys are under AT&T prepaid, then you guys are able to actually check this out. I'll definitely do a little bit of tests on this to see if it's worthy to have as like a backup device, or even have it, you know, saying as your main device until you're able to actually pick up a more expensive phone. So you got this right over here. See if we could do that. Alright, so let's just take it out of its packaging. You have a plastic here, and this is the phone. It's in a cardboard box. Stickers. So it is micro USB right here. Micro USB for all the folks here. Micro USB. You have a guide. You have a user guide as well. You have a battery that is removable, which is cool, so you will definitely need that to power up your device. So if you guys want to purchase this now, it's actually at Best Buy for $29.99. so if you guys need like a temporary phone, these are the plans that it comes with. Alright, and you have your charging brick. Let's see what the charging brick is pumped at. Okay, so that's what it's clocked in at. Can barely read it from here, but it looks like 1,000 milliamps. Alright, so we are back. So here's the phone, guys. Check this out. Has almost like a sandstone type feel, and you do have your logo for AT&T right there. You have your ZTE logo on the bottom. Charger, mic, headphone jack, another mic, and this should pop off easily. And the speaker is on the right bottom side. You got the volume up and down, and the power is in the right position, which is dope. And you do have a screen protector. There you go. So you got the bezel settings. Let's just power this on. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this, this is on Amazon and Best Buy and a couple other areas. I will have a link actually down below if you guys are interested in actually purchasing this. So tell me how the quality is on the video, guys, and how the audio is. I'm actually testing out a new camera, so I just want to see how it actually looks and sounds. Alright guys, so that's about it for the video. So if you guys want to buy this product, I will actually have the link actually down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of ZTE products and more tech to come. So, to the next video, guys. Peace.